Hi there and welcome back to You Sew Jelly. As you can see, I kind of changed my hair up. I don't know, I might get into that in another video, but this is not the topic of this video. I just wanted to show you what I would call a sewing machine starter kit thing for a friend or whoever you're thinking might enjoy sewing. I put this together for my mother-in-law that is going to be taking over my older machine. And then she can start sewing as well and enjoy it just as much as I do. So I'm just gonna show you what I got here. So this is what I got going on here. I have a storage bin, Rubbermaid, for her to put the sewing machine in. And then she has the Bernina record there, which was my older machine from my grandmother. I will miss sewing with this machine, but I think having her use it will be a lot better because I know I'll be used. Then I got her a bunch of fabric here, just a assortment of scraps and little things she can be sewing with. And then I printed off a face mask pattern for her because that's what she wants to start sewing with. And then here I have some pins, a cushion, a pair of scissors, some twine, buttons, and some Velcro. And then in this little bin here, she has all the feet and accessories, or a notepad from a friend of mine. And then in addition, I don't know, I have one page of the manual, which I'm gonna have to still track down, a bunch of threads there, and then a rotary cutter. And then I actually have the original sewing box here. She then has a bunch of bobbins, thread, marking pencil, little ruler, elastic, universal needles, and a few other things there. So that is the starter kit for my mother-in-law for sewing. I am really excited for her to start her own sewing journey. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we shall see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.